Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming verification. That avoids holdups. Once signed into AdSense, go straight to payments, then manage payment methods. Have your new bank name, account number, routing or IBAN, and SWIFT code if applicable. Why now? Because entering accurate details prevents failed transfers and tax reporting issues. Make sure you're on a secure network and use two-factor authentication. It protects your account while you make the change. Begin by clicking Add Payment Method to register the new bank. Now you add the new bank details carefully. Type the account number and routing/IBAN exactly. Small typos cause rejections. Once entered, choose the verification path, either instant verification through your bank or microdeposits within 1-3 business days. Why verify? Because AdSense will only send earnings to a confirmed account. Once the microdeposits appear, return to Manage Payment Methods and enter the exact deposit amounts to confirm ownership. After verification, finish by designating the verified bank as your primary payment method. This directs all future payouts there. Make sure to remove the old account only after the next payment confirms correct routing, since transfers process according to payment cycle timing. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, double-check account type, currency support, and SWIFT/IBAN formatting. Many issues stem from mismatched currency or wrong routing digits. If still blocked, contact your bank and AdSense support with transaction references to resolve the holdup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.